Another thing that in the sessions that was very, very interesting for me was how do we kind of win in this AI world? How do we kind of be more relevant in the AI world? This was something that I learned 5 or 6 years back, that one, AI is primarily a tool in your arsenal. You should know how to use it, but it should not define the solutions that you want to solve for, right? Like, or the problems that you want to solve for. And that is where I basically described to them that if there is a problem, if you can put it in one of those buckets, then it should be something that you could use AI or ML to solve. One is prediction. How do you kind of use your past data to predict the next actions and hence define that experience? How do you automate? So again, the same decisions that were taken previously, how do you automate those decision making and make your system more intelligent? Third is how do you classify your data so that you have a better understanding of what cohort of that user or what cohort of that data is having a certain behavior, so that you can segment different behaviors. And last but not the least is generative, where you can now generate, say, catalogs, you can generate content, you can generate images that can enhance your product experience. So next time, if you are looking at a problem, if they fall in one of these buckets, you could then start thinking in terms of how can AI accelerate and bring more impact with the work that you can do. While you are doing this, I think one thing that has also changed in the recent few months is about how generative AI is being used to kind of brainstorm, to think about getting more context, getting more inputs in order for you to have a better brainstorming partner, if you will. I think that has worked really well for me as well. In last few months, I've been doing a lot of prototyping, talking to a lot of these agents, getting more ideas, making it richer. The thing that I used to take months is now a matter of days, right? So that's the power that you can have. But that's over and above. That's more about tooling on how do you accelerate product thinking versus using AI to solve problems which could be either predictive, automation, classification, generation. So that's how I would structure this in terms of how do you use AI to be better at product management.